Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. A while ago, I released a video in which I showed you how to use your graphics card in order to mine some Satoshis or the smaller fractions of a Bitcoin. And that was done simply by installing a shortcut to your Chrome browser. And I mentioned that there is a proper miner that you need to install, but there's a little bit more tinkering. So today I'm going to show you how to run the miner on your computer. And so we're going to do some more tinkering. So make sure to smash up a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, stick around till the very end so you understand how to do it. And let's get cracking. So the first thing you need to do is go to GP Utopia. Once you get to the page here, go to Docs. From here, go to Selling Compute. Once you're here, you have to download the file. You can either download the CUDA version for Windows or the OpenCL version for Windows. Of course, if you're running Linux, then you're on your own because this tutorial is for Windows users. And whether you download CUDA or OpenCL, it's up to you. If you Google the difference, basically OpenCL is more accessible and offers more platform support, but it tends to be slower than CUDA. Did I say CUDA or OpenCL? On the other hand, CUDA has better performance but lacks a unified debugging environment. In the end, both of these technologies offer great performance, so you're sure to get great results whichever you choose. There you go. For this purpose, we're going to use CUDA, so download CUDA. Once you have that, you will need to place your download somewhere. So mine is right here, and I've placed it conveniently right here on my desktop. Right here, and you might want to rename it to name it to GP Utopia Worker. It has a longer name when you download it. Just change the name to GP Utopia Worker. Once that's done, open your command prompt and redirect your command to your desktop. Go back to the GP Utopia page, and you can go down right next to where it says README. Click on that. That'll open another GitHub page. Once you are at this page, just go to where it says from the command line try this. Copy and paste this code all the way to the letter M right here. Copy that, go back to your CD prompt, paste it right there and enter. The app will begin to download the miner on your computer, so give it some time to complete the download. I'll be back once that finishes. Once this is finished, you need to go back to your GitHub page, and you will need to enter your ABI, your deposit address, into the worker. So you will need to copy worker LN address, copy that, go back into the worker and paste it right here. You will also need your address from the from ABI. If you haven't done so yet, then set up an account with Albi. That's essential. You need an Albi account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to simply copy and paste it. This is my address. Once you have yours, you simply copy that and you go back into miner and paste it there. And after that, you push enter. And if you notice right here, address is given, worker info. Here's my address right here. My address here. And the client's running. So that should be it. Every time a job comes through, your GPU should pick it up and run it on computers. So this is still in trial version, so it might not be as efficient as you would like it to be, but I believe the jobs are sent every 12 seconds or something like that. So if your computer picks it up, you will be rewarded with Satoshis. So the way this works is GP Utopia uses a portion of your computer's GPU via web GPU, a new web standard that was recently added to the new version of Chrome. First, your browser needs to download a language model. This is a 4 GB file. that will be stored in your browser's cache. This is if you do it through your browser. This will take a few minutes to download, then 20 seconds to load from cache and on your future visits. Once you've got the model loaded, our system marks you available to receive inference jobs. Currently, we send a demo interface job to all connected users every 15 seconds. This job may take 5 to 30 seconds to complete, depending on your GPUs and the size of the job. When your computer finishes the interface job, it sends that back to our servers, and we reward you some Bitcoin directly to your Alby wallet. So the rewards from the mining should go straight into the Alby wallet. It takes about 2 minutes to create an Alby wallet if you don't have that. I showed you how to do that in this video, as well as the other video. Actually, I think more in the other video than this one. So if you're not sure, if you don't know how to get your Alby wallet, then make sure to check out my previous video in which I explain how to get your Alby wallet. So that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and of course give it some time, because it might take a while for the client to pick up some jobs, and of course check out the Discord. So like I said, give it some time, give the client some time to pick up some jobs. It's going to take a while, I think, because it's still in development, this project. So be patient, but it'll come your way. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how that went for you. If you are unsure, then feel free to reach out to the team of GPUtopia on Discord, and leave them a message there. And in the meantime, I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good one.